Hello and welcome to this video on the top 3 rules of time management. Time management is essential for achieving your goals and maximizing your productivity. By following these simple rules, you can improve your time management skills and get more done in less time. Rule 1. Prioritize tasks. The first rule of time management is to prioritize your tasks. It's essential to identify which tasks are most important and urgent and focus on completing them first. You can use tools like the Eisenhower matrix to help you prioritize your tasks based on their urgency and importance. By prioritizing your tasks, you can ensure that you're working on the most critical tasks and making progress towards your goals. Rule 2. Create a schedule. The second rule of time management is to create a schedule. Scheduling your day can help you stay organized and ensure that you're using your time effectively. You can use a calendar or planner to schedule your tasks, appointments, and deadlines. By creating a schedule, you can also allocate specific blocks of time for specific tasks and ensure that you're not wasting time on unimportant activities. Rule 3. Eliminate time wasters. The third rule of time management is to eliminate time wasters. Time wasters are activities that don't add value to your day or help you achieve your goals. Examples of time wasters include social media, excessive TV watching, and unnecessary meetings. By identifying and eliminating time wasters, you can free up more time for productive activities. Conclusion. In conclusion, by following these top 3 rules of time management, you can improve your productivity and achieve your goals more effectively. Remember to prioritize your tasks, create a schedule, and eliminate time wasters. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found these tips helpful. So, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more informative videos.